In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI chatbot to Google Sites. If you want to place an AI chatbot directly onto your Google site, the process is actually very simple once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening your site editor to inserting the chatbot embed code so it appears on your page. Start by going to your Google site. Make sure you're opening the site in editing mode because that's where you'll be able to add new elements to the page. If you manage multiple pages, it can also help to open the exact page where you want the chatbot to appear before you begin. That saves time and makes placement easier. Once you're inside the site editor, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where Google Sites keeps the main content tools you can add to your page. From this panel, click on Embed. This option is used whenever you want to place outside content into your site, including tools like chat widgets, forms, videos, or custom web elements. After that, choose Embed Code. Google Sites usually gives you more than one embedding option, but for a chatbot, you'll want the option that lets you paste the code directly. This is important because most AI chatbot tools provide a code snippet that needs to be inserted exactly as given in order to load properly on the page. Now, paste your code into the embed code field. Be careful to paste the full snippet without changing anything. Even a small missing character can prevent the chatbot from displaying correctly. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly review the pasted code to make sure it copied over completely. Next, click on Next. This allows Google Sites to process the embed and show you a preview. The preview step is useful because it helps confirm that the chatbot code is being recognized before you place it on the page. If something looks off here, double check the code and try again. Once the preview looks right, click on Insert. This places the chatbot onto your Google site page. After inserting it, you can usually reposition the embedded element or resize it so it fits naturally with the rest of your layout. Try placing it somewhere visible and easy for visitors to find, especially if the chatbot is meant to help with support or navigation. And that's it. You've successfully added an AI chatbot to Google Sites using the embed code option. After this, make sure to preview your site and publish your changes so visitors can see and use the chatbot live.